I am the king of space. What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was, I am the space. Holy dude.
This is ain't no prop. Music program.
Huh? No. I'm just doing a video. Well, people think I broke down already. Trying to get away from people because it's kind of loud, but basically it's getting revamped day by day by Tommy. I just got it so I can get the fucking front end fixed. But other than that, it's pretty good. Basically, YouTubers, my common question of the day, like Ray William Johnson would say, is do you got bass? So, and if you want to be loud, you want SPL, there you go. KOB Customs, King of Bass Customs, there's a number, and you will be deaf by the time you're done. So, stay up, and I'll do some more videos sooner or later.